In these two examples, we are going to divide decimals by decimals. So in this first one, we have 18 and 2/10 divided by 1 and 4/10. The 18 and 2/10 is the dividend. So we're going to put 18 and 2/10 inside the house divided by 1 and 4/10. And 1 and 4/10 is the divisor. Now, the first thing we have to do when we're dividing decimals is we have to turn the divisor into a whole number. So we have to turn this 1 and 4/10 into 14. And how we do that is we multiply it by a power of 10, or move the decimal over one spot to the right. So we are going to do that. So after we multiply it by 1 power of 10, we're going to move the decimal. And whatever we do to the divisor, we have to also do to the dividend. So the decimal will move to there. Now, to make this problem a little bit easier and a little bit more clean in terms of solving it, we are going to rewrite it. So we have 182 divided by 14. And we still have to remember where our decimal was. And so our decimal was after the 2. And we're going to place that decimal point in the quotient above the decimal point in the dividend. So it's going to be right there. Okay. Now we're just going to simply divide. So 14 can't go into 1, but 14 can go into 18, and it goes in there once. 1 times 14 is 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. We bring down the 2. And 14 goes into 42 3 times. 3 times 14 is 42. And 42 minus 42 is 0. So the quotient is 13, or 13.0. In this second problem, we have the dividend is 273 thousandths, and the divisor is 39 hundredths. So we're going to take 273 thousandths divided by 39 hundredths. Now remember, our first step is to multiply. We have to turn this 39 hundredths into a whole number. So now, instead of multiplying by a power of 10, we actually have to multiply it by 100, or 10 to the second power. So we move the decimal, and whatever we do to the divisor, we have to do to the dividend. So now our decimal goes between the 7 and the 3. But to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to rewrite it again. And so we have 27 and 3/10 divided by 39. And I'm going to put the decimal point and the quotient above the decimal point in our dividend. Now we're going to solve. 39 can't go into 2. 39 can't go into 27. 39 go into 273. Let's try 7 times. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6 is 27. And when we subtract, we get 7/10. So our quotient is, I'm only going to use 1 0, is 7/10. Thank you for taking time to watch this video.